Okay, so here's my code. We have the socket server here, and then 3 copies of the client here. I'm running them on Python. They're all on the same end host. I know it's supposed to be on separate end hosts, so if I lose points for that, I'm okay with that. Yeah, these are the 3 things. So I can run the server, run the 3 clients, then in the command line of each of these, it starts out by showing a little message saying the possible commands and the format for entering them. So if I do register A, it registers, and then that shows here that it received a message from register A from this. Now here, register B, now you may notice that these port addresses are not the correct range for my group. That's because I have the server assign ports to make sure that no ports are used twice instead of having each client pick their own host. So the first time this goes through, this will be sent from whatever port the client sees fit. But then after that, like if I sent any other command, as you'll see in a second, it will be from the proper ports. So here, if I go set up ring 3, and I don't enter username information because that's already stored on the client, and that packs that into the message. It'll go over, and it'll set up the ring. This is some debugging I was doing. It prints out the data structure I have, and then a couple other things. You can see that it went around. We got something going on here. It goes from here to here to here. So you see that there was an error receiving message. So that's fine. It just means that it doesn't get all the way around. We have basically we make it through 2 of the 3 parts of the ring, and I'm still working on getting this to go back to the leader with the modulo function. Now on the server, you can see that the setup ring event is processed, and then information was returned to the client. So from here, if I want to deregister your users, instead of restating your username, you can just click deregister, and it will say user deleted, goodbye. And you can see here that this command was taken, deregister for user B, and they are no longer part of the database. All right, this has been my video. Thank you.